Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading, and here we have our backtesting system where we can be able to backtest our forex trading strategy in any financial instrument like gold, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro USD, and any other pairs. Join our everyday live webinar where we'll be sharing our opinion and strategies on Zoom analysis. Join our Telegram link in the description. Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading. Hey, if you want to be part of us, if you want to be part of the community, be there, please. The link, it is in the description below. It's called krforextrading.online. So register your account, go to sign up there, register an account, and do not guys forget your password, your credentials, because those credentials are exactly the credentials that you're going to use, and therefore you are going to log in so that you can enjoy our everyday webinar. Please guys, if you want to join, be there, krforextrading.online. We're having many mentors. We have bigger forex traders who are successful, and I am so excited to start 2024 with those people. I am so excited. And guys, we update each and every day on our Telegram. The Telegram link, it is in the description below. Please join our Telegram group so that you can be updated. Where are we going? Because we love to make the seminars, we love to make the webinars, we like to make the chats. We share the opinion, we share even the signals. So not even the signals only, but the structures of the market. We share each and everything in our Telegram group. So please guys, the link, it is in the description below. Please, once again, subscribe in this channel. Please give us an energy so that we may be able to have an energy to post each and everything that we know in the forex exchange market. Hey guys, today's topic it is all about GBP JPY. It's all about how we can simplify the strategy in a way of analyzing better. Okay, number one, better. Number two, simpler as you can. Do not plot many things on your chart because you are confusing your mind, and therefore when you do that, tomorrow you might forget what was happening in the market. Please guys, stop that. Stop putting many things on the chart. Stop making many things like exponential moving averages, trend lines, the volumes, the Fibonacci level. Like, you are confusing the game. The game is all about buying and selling, high, low, simple as that. Like, it is simple. I will make an example right now. This is the chart of GBP JPY. Okay, first and foremost, you start on daily time frame. You start on daily time frame, guys. Please stop this thing of scalping. Yes, scalping is for those who are good in the game, who have been there. But let me tell you something about scalpers. Scalpers were an intraday trader way before, who are successful right now. We're intraday trader. So be a scalper. You're gonna have to be able to cultivate the market, learn the market, be there, be patient. Look how the structure it is forming itself. Look how the support and resistance. Look how the chart is reversing. Look how the chart is breaking the zones. Like, be there, like, be patient. Stop this thing of scalping. Scalping is good, and is good for other people who are successful and who know what they are doing. And let me tell you the secret about the scalpers that they do not want you to know. Scalpers, they know the overhaul of the market. That's all it is. When you place a trade, knowing that in daily time frame the market is reacting in this way. Okay, the market is reacting in this way. So you are not willing to buy or sell in the foreign exchange market, where else you don't know the overall what was happening in the market. Let's say the market is doing the higher high, higher low, higher high, which is the uptrend, and therefore you are selling. Now, not knowing that in 4-hour time frame, in that sell, it was a very small sell, and therefore is going up. Okay, and it keeps you in the market. More importantly, you didn't use the stop loss. It blows your account because you are a retail trader. You have deposited a peanut in the market, and therefore it's going to break your heart. So this is GBP JPY without wasting time. Right, first and foremost, find the zones. Okay, find the zones. This is the zone. This is the zone. Okay, this is the zone. GPY. Okay, this is the zone. All right, this is from the 20th of June 2023, and then until now in December 2023. All right, and therefore, one, you have identified the zone, the possible zone, which is the support zone. All right, number two, what is trending? The trending was a trend line. Okay, it was the touches. Okay, it was the touches. People who have managed to learn this structure, they know what is this. They know what is this, because the market was here, and then went down to the support, went up, went down to the support, went up, and then went down to the support. So now, what are we expecting? We're expecting a shoot. We're expecting a shoot. Guys, it's simple as like that. We're expecting a shoot. But there might be a possibility that the market should shoot down here on the support zone and ultimately break us. It can ultimately break the support. All right. It can break the support. Like, there is a high chances of the possibility. But in order for us to win in the forex exchange market, when the market is approaching the support like this, that simply means that we are going to wait. We are going to wait, meaning we are going to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, we go into the 4-hour time frame. Here's the 4-hour time frame. Here's the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the 4-hour time frame is it shows us that, okay, now the market is even shooting down back to the support zone. So meaning that simply means that we are going to wait. We are going to wait. When the market it is in the support zone here. It is in the support zone here. We quickly jump into the 15-minute time frame. Okay, we jump into the 15-minute time frame. 15 minutes time frame. You know, the market is going. When it is in the 15 minutes time frame, and already it is in our structure. It is in our structure. That simply means that we are going to look for certain candlesticks. Okay, a candlestick pattern. There are many candlestick patterns. There are many out there. So, but then, not to confuse yourself about the many candlestick time frame, one, the doji is always there because we are looking for the reversal. Okay, so we are looking for the reversal. If the doji is not there, that simply means that there are other reversal candlesticks that are going to react. Already, they are not going to be the same as you learned from an internet, or as you learned from us on our webinar. But then, that simply means that if they are similar to what you know, that simply means it's like that. You're gonna take a buy and then set your risk reward ratio. Okay, the risk reward ratio always risk 1% of your account to gain even 3% of your account. All right, so we go once again to the daily time frame. Okay, I'm sorry about the ads. go to the daily time frame. Okay, so we are looking forward for the market to approach the support level. Okay, we wait. Okay, even though we can sell, but our sell is not guaranteed because we never made something called the analysis. So we take a trade according to the analysis. Even though there are people who are going to take an advantage on their scalping, they are going to scalp once again from here over here. That simply means that they are scalping. But then we intraday traders, we are going to wait for the market, because our expectation, we expect that the market will shoot once again up. And if you can see that there is a very small resistance zone over here, so that simply means that we are going to wait for the market to reach the support zone and ultimately hit our TP, which is there in the resistance zone. Okay, which is in the resistance zone. So please guys, please guys, do not forget about scalping. Scalping is for those who they know what they are doing, because scalping ultimately is going to pump you out of the market, is going to pull you out of the market, and you are going to deposit once until you give up. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Intraday trading or big trends, it's where the money is. Patience, guys, is where the money is. Be disciplined. Discipline is where the money is. So do not confuse yourself with many charts, with not many charts, with many indicators. This is like simple. This is very simple. We can see that if the market is reaching here, and then we are going to the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame is all about the confirmation and entries. Okay, it's all about the confirmation and entries, and then that's it. That's it. And before we trade, we place a trade, we go to something called forexfactory.com, or if you don't like it, you go to investing.com. This is where we check our fundamental analysis about the speeches, about the interest rate, about the CPI, and any fundamental news that may possibly affect your trades. You will be checking over there on that website. So meaning that if you're trading GBP, JPY, this pair, meaning you are going to see in this specific day or in this specific week, are there any other fundamental news for GBP and the JPY? Okay, if they are there, so meaning if you are trading today, there are no fundamental news, and then you have analyzed, you have done anything that it takes, and then you take a trade. And then if it's your trade is on the continuous trade even tomorrow, and then you said you scale, okay, you scale your stop loss. Okay, you scale your stop loss. As long as the market is going up, you scale your stop loss. Okay, 30 pips away, 30 pips, even 25 pips away. And then when the news are going to be triggered, and then it is going to be against you, then it closes your profits, and then you are good to go. And then we are looking forward once again for the re-entries, because already we have did analyze our chart. Okay, so now without wasting your time, guys, please, if you are interested in our community, if you want to meet people like you, retail traders, and then please guys, ensure that you go to forextrading.online and ensure once again you subscribe in this channel. Please guys, support us, because when you support us, please, we are going to make sure that we give you the content each and every day. And in this channel, I'm not alone, and then there are some other people that are going to post their analysis, their thoughts, their insights each and every day. And then we are so pleased, and we have only 2 weeks right now starting this channel, and we are so excited. We are so excited. I'm so sorry about the ads. On the previous video I told you about the ads, because the tradingview.com, it needs you to subscribe, but I don't subscribe. I'm not, because our backtesting, we are doing the backtesting on gochatting.com, and it is good, and you can backtest from daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, at the same time, even 30 minutes. So I don't see the importance of subscribing for TradingView. But if you want to be subscribed on the TradingView and you love it, you can, and there is no any other person who is against that, and then it's up to you. So without wasting time, guys, please, the description, the link, it is in the description below, to join our Telegram group. Ensure that you join our Telegram group. KR Mokoena, your mentor, signing